Yo, what is going on, guys? This tutorial today is going to be showing you how to get the best Uber Eats promo codes in 2026. I've managed to find some Uber Eats discount codes that you can use right now to get $100 account credit. This works worldwide, so it doesn't matter if you're in the UK, US, Australia. It works worldwide, guys. So it's $100 straight into your account, uses a Uber Eats promo code. And I was searching high and low on Google, trying tons of different codes. Most of them are expired or don't even work or give you very little. And the ones that I'm going to show you are definitely the best Uber Eats promo codes. So before I get into it, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm always searching for updated codes. But anyway, what you're going to want to do is use your mobile phone internet browser to obtain your Uber Eats promo code. So I'm using an iPhone, but you can do this on Android. You just need an internet connection. Head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. Make sure you spell it correctly. You can pause the video and copy that down, but Crash Coupons is basically a codes website. They specialize mostly in game codes, but they do have sort of mobile apps and promo codes for different shopping websites and stuff. So where it says search here, type in Uber Eats, and you're looking for this page, guys, Uber Eats promo codes. There's only one verified coupon code, but that code is the one I've been mentioning, the $100 account credit code. So you grab your code and you simply redeem it in app, and it is going to credit your account $100. So this is going to load up. As you can see, it's found a code, but you need to unlock it. It's pretty easy. All you need to do is click on this button and follow the instructions on this screen. As you can see, it says complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code, and that is going to get your code from Crash Coupons, and follow the instructions below each. So on this page, you're going to have a list of tasks. They're all completely free. You just need to follow the instructions and fully complete 2 of them. It's going to take you about 5 minutes, but it is well worth it considering. So once you do those, it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Uber Eats promo code for $100 will be revealed. So that is it. Go to Crash Coupons. Once you have your code, you can redeem it in-app, and that is going to give you $100. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.